Oh my god.
Previously on the Adventures of Kevin.
Hi. My name is Mr. X. Welcome to my hole.
What is all of this?
I will spice you up, baby.
All my life I have been craving for one thing. Press shash. Cucumber. I am a cucumber.
The catacombs are a burial ground. Nowadays it's a party place. They even have an underground cinema here.
Welcome to my underground cinema. Tonight we play a scary movie called Cucumber Catacomb Cream. Have fun.
Oh my god, it's Big French Pig. He's dead. Oh my god.
Based on true events. Rated NC-17 for extreme violence and disturbing gay drama.
Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, what do we do? I hated him, but I never wished him dead.
Yeah, you did.
No, I didn't.
You did. When we fell down the big black hole, you screamed, "French pig idiot, I hope somebody will stab you, and you will die, and burn in hell." Don't you remember?
Okay, maybe a little bit.
So what do we do now?
I don't know.
Well, I do. It's Halloween. That means party time.
For God's sake, what are you wearing?
This is my Halloween costume.
You must be kidding. Are you drunk?
Yes.
And why are you wearing my tank top?
This is not your tank top. It's mine. It was on sale.
Where?
At a vintage shop.
Don't you think it's a bit inappropriate?
Yes, it's very inappropriate, but this was the only color they had. I happen to like tank tops.
That's not what I meant.
Oh. Him.
Yes, him.
To be honest, I don't think he's dead. Hello, Mr. Police Officer. Yoo-hoo. Are you dead? Yoo-hoo. There might be a slight chance that he is dead.
So, what now?
Well, my mother always said, if they're already dead you cannot change the situation. In that case the show must go on.
Seriously, is that what your mom said?
Yes.
So where's your mom now?
She's dead.
That's the most terrible Halloween costume I've ever seen.
So, Mr. X, then where's the party?
Glups boys. Oops. Ha ha ha. Cheers.
Seriously, are these the Halloween costumes you provide?
Glups.
Well, I got only 2 words for this. Low budget.
Hey.
Hey. Nice costume.
I will kill myself.
Kadushi. You see. I told you the costumes were nice. Gudhadu.
I was being sarcastic.
Being what?
Sarcastic.
What?
Sarcastic.
Sarcastic.
Oh, okay. Boys and penguins. It's time to play the movie. Are you ready?
Sure, bitch.
This is the tale of the creamy cucumber gone wild.
Seriously?
This is gonna be worse than Les Miserables.
Where's the gay porn?
I'm a little lesbian blonde girl and I'm all alone in this big black forest. My parents left me here, because I don't like cucumbers. This is my punishment. I deserve to die.
Hello, little girl. I'm a cucumber. I heard you don't like me.
I'm so scared. I peed in my panties. Please, whoever you are, do it quick and painless. I won't scream. I have lost the will to breathe.
Peach, here I am, little lesbian blonde girl.
No, no. I don't wanna look. I don't wanna. What the?
Die.
You, pie.
How you doing?
Well, considering the situation, I think it could be worse. Are you the Hulk?
No.
Are you Mike Myers from Halloween?
No.
Kermit the Frog.
I'm a cucumber.
What? Done.
Yes, I'm a cucumber.
Okay, I'm a lesbian.
Wow, you're the first normal person I meet in this forest, besides the picky penguin.
I thought I would die today, but I guess I was wrong. What's your story?
Long time ago there was a cucumber. That cucumber was me. Due to an injection with silicons, I became human, but not completely. There's only one way which can make me fully human.
So, what's that? Maybe I can help?
Yes, you can. To stay human, I have to do one thing every week.
What?
I need to murder someone.
Oh, my God.
Yes, oh, you're God. Sorry, little lesbian blonde girl, I'm really sorry.
Oh my God, this is a terrible movie. Turn it off. Turn it off.
I'm a cucumber, ooh la la ooh la la.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Guys, we have to get out of here.
Ooh la, it's him. Mr. Sex is Mr. Cucumber. Ooh la.
Oh my God. I taped everything.
Everything is clear, we gotta go now.
Wow, that's a great movie.
Keep running, guys. There's to be a way out. Has to be.
I'm so scared, ooh la la.
I think I know a way out, follow me guys.
Way to go. I trust you, Giovanni.
Where are we?
Am I dead? Is this my concu speaking?
Hang on, we are here.
Hello.
Hello.
Wow, what an adventure.
Yes, what an adventure.
Giovanni, you never told us about your hole.
No, I did not.
So, you want to give us the resolve of this adventure?
Yes. My hole, the hole behind the reception, is directly connected to the catacombs. It's a secret doorway to the party. Nobody knows about this hole. Well, only me. In this case we used it as an escape. It's not supposed to be used that way. But I guess, we were lucky.
So, you mean, Mr. Sex could use the same hole to come here and kill us all?
Yes.
Okay, normally, I would care, but I'm very tired. I'm going to bed. Where are the boys?
In your bed.
Okay,